caught me off guard. Apparently you got to cut that away once you get it assembled, I'm assuming. But what you just saw me do is just put a little bit of very light silicone on here. Silicone gasket sealer, and I just like to put ever so slightest amount, since this is the two-stroke crankcase. You want to make sure it seals real good. So I just put ever so slightly on and then tap it to remove the good majority of it. Also helps hold things in place while you're bolting the case together. By doing it this way, you don't end up with a bunch of ooze out the side. It's basically the perfect amount usually. I even use this on cases, this same tactic on cases that don't have a gasket. No way. Are these seals the same? Or did I get them on backwards? All right, don't do what I did. Double check the bearing size and the seal size before you go installing things. Thankfully, I was able to get things corrected pretty quickly. So just reline this up. Hopefully nothing's terribly damaged. Probably ill-advised to do it this way. But I'll be gentle. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the original woodruff key, so I ordered one of those little accessory packs from Amazon, like similar to these. I order them quite a bit because they're cheap and usually do the job. But it did not have the appropriate size woodruff key. So I ordered a specific one and it won't be here for a week. So engine's gonna be put on hold. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on a little bit of the electronics. I bought some roll bar padding, try to get that installed. And then maybe bolt on the back roll bar. I did get the front bumper and a decent underbelly pan delivered, so I need to get that cleaned up and get that installed as well. But coming along. I put together the flywheel, starter ring, spacer, hand pulley thing together, and I thought better get the points lined up and adjusted first. So I took the little lobe off. Actually, this one's an extra, but I just put it in there. Okay, the points are closed, points are open, points are closed. That should be good enough.